SIS opened its doors in 2009. The school serves around 1,400 students, encompassing a student body from kindergarten to grade 12. We aim to give our students the most well-rounded education by offering them a mix of curricular and co-curricular activities, with a wide variety of programs to meet their needs and interests. In grades 3 to 12, SIS implements an iPad education program. Students take more active role in their learning and develop 21st century skills. SIS has 4 computer labs, including an iMac lab with 24 of the latest computer generations in each. The school's aerobic studios promote students' physical fitness and is equipped for them to participate in a wide range of physical education activities. To support our visual and performing arts program, the school facilities include a 3D and a 2D cinema, as well as a drama room, a music studio, and 3 music rooms. All classrooms are equipped with interactive smart boards and educational resources to promote an active student-centered learning environment. Our football and basketball courts provide opportunities for our students to develop their sports interests and abilities and to promote the importance of maintaining a healthy body and a physical balance. The elementary and KG playgrounds are essential, safe spaces where students can be themselves and express their fun-loving nature while developing physical, social, and imaginative skills. SIS has 4 science labs for students to do experiments. Students are encouraged to read and are provided with a rich library with more than 6,000 books. The school auditorium seats up to 600 people and provides a creative atmosphere for students to develop their presentation skills and excel in their performing arts programs. SIS offers students a rigorous, well-balanced American curriculum aligned with the Common Core, Next Generation, and AIR standards. SIS is dedicated to excellence in education.